Hi YouTube, this is J.A. Bobby Doll coming to you today with a lip gloss review. I have 5 of my favorite types of lip glosses and I want you to basically just see which ones I like. Leave a comment if you want and we're going to go through them. So basically I do not like dry lips, and during pregnancy my lips are so dry. And if anyone knows about hormones, your hormones can either be overproduced or underproduced. So it left me with a lot of dry lips. So I'm finally getting back to my normal self, and I'm just gonna go through some lip glosses and tell me what you like, and we're just gonna basically have fun. So not a serious video at all, just going through my faves and just trying to get back into social media. So here we go. The first one that I'm gonna do is Kopari. This is called My Type. If anyone knows anything about Kopari brand, it is usually a brand that is 100% coconut oil. So I love coconut oil, but I do break out from coconut oil if I put it on my face, and it does make my lips moisturize, but it does also make my hair very itchy. So I'm not a person who likes to put coconut oil in my hair, but on my lips, definitely. So this is Kopari. I like this one, it feels good. But the thing I don't like about Kopari, you guys, is the fact that it does not stay on my lips long. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm talking too much or whatever, but it feels good. It's not too sticky. And I hate lip glosses that basically, how do I say it, stay in your, like it gets in your hair, or when you talk it leaves like a film. I don't like that at all. So I like lip glosses that are basically light on the lips and you can talk and it doesn't feel like you're, you know, sticking too much to your mouth. So I'm gonna wipe that off. Next up is Lime Crime. This is Sweet Cherry. It has like a light mauve look. Kind of has the same color as the next one that I'm going to do for Mally, but we'll focus more on this one right here. Anyone who knows me know that I love Lime Crime, because Lime Crime basically, I don't know, it has the perfect color complexion. It doesn't make me look like a clown when I put on Lime Crime, and this has like a wet cherry look. Like if you ever seen a maraschino type of cherry, then you know that it has that gloss to it. This is an awesome gloss for me because it stays on longer and it has a real cherry scent that smells a little bit different, but it's not a bad different though. It's a good different. And the colors just really fit my complexion, because for a lot of black women, the complexion thing when it comes to lip glosses, or how do I say, lipsticks, you gotta kind of be particular about what you put on, because for me it doesn't, every color out there does not fit my complexion, unfortunately. So I think they did a good job with this one. One of my favorites actually. Next up will be Mally. Anybody who knows Mally knows that she is the makeup artist to the stars. I love her makeup, love her mascara, love her glosses. This color is pretty pink. Like I said before, this is kind of similar to the Lime Crime, but this has like more of a lipstick kind of feel to it. It's very light on the lips, very long lasting as well. How do I look? My favorite lip gloss colors are usually the mauves or the peachy or the nudes. So I'm a big fan of the nude lip glosses. This one is from ColourPop. This one is called Neat Freak. The brush is more like a thin brush. It's cool because you can put this one over lip glosses or lipsticks, or you can use this by itself. The thing about ColourPop for me, it seems very sticky and it doesn't last that long, but what I can say I do love is the color on this. This has more of a like festive type of lip gloss that you can see the sparkles on your lips. That's what I love about this one, because this one makes me feel really in the mood for holiday time, I guess. So some of these lip glosses are really hard to get off. Oh my gosh. And last but not least, which will be my Milani. This is called Luminous. Luminous is very similar to the ColourPop. But what I noticed about Luminous is it's a little sticky. It smells really good though. And it also has like these little sparkles in it. But it leaves your lips very moisturized. And it's long lasting, so Milani is definitely one of my favorites out of all the lip glosses. So here you have it. 5 of my favorite lip glosses. A lot of these lip glosses you can use holiday time. You can use this also, you know, when you go to a party or when you're just going to school or work. A lot of times you don't want to have too much color on. You definitely want to just have something that's nude. So tell me what you think, tell me what you like, tell me which lip glosses you would not buy or which ones are your favorites. And also, what videos do you guys want to see? Let me know. I can do reviews for you on makeup or hairstyles or lip glosses that I haven't tried. So let me know what you think and subscribe below.